Hey guys, so today I'll be playing around with some hair. I hope you enjoy. The hair is by Ali Grace. I've used the hair in the past. It's pretty good for colors. Is the hair that I'll be doing today. It came with like a cap and something else in there, but like some flyer, but yeah. So, oops. The hair that I'm using is a 14-inch bob wig. That's 150 density. This is how it looks coming out of the packaging. It's a 4x4, like I said, 14-inch bob wig. So we're gonna get rid of some of the packaging. So yeah, I'm getting rid of some of the stuff I don't need anymore. So that's how the lace is looking. Like I said, it's 4x4. It has a middle part, but you can part it practically anywhere. So you just have to, if you want to do a different part from the middle, you have to kind of tweeze it and stuff like that. But yeah, you can. Oops, there you go. That's you can part it in different ways, but it comes with a center part. So like I said, it is 14 inches. So let me make an adjustment so you can see it better, sorry. So this is how it's looking, 14 inches. I can put it on a dolly head so you guys can see. So give me one moment. Yeah, so there you go. That's the 14-inch bob wig that I'm about to color. So some things you're gonna need to get started is your bleach. You know, if you need these, there's that. Some gloves, because you don't want to mess up your hands, and stuff like this, because you're gonna need it. I don't know what happened to my bleach because I stored it properly, but this is what it's looking like, guys. Anyways, guys, so this is my first time using a bleach clumpy like that. I don't know why it's so clumpy, but it's like, look at that. It's like watery. That's so weird. That's never happened. This clip to clip the center. It's probably not going to clip it properly, but whatever. As long as it grabs what I need it to grab. That's one part. Let me zoom out a little bit so you see. So I basically took a chunk here. So that's what we have. One side here, one side here. Okay, guys, so I have on a mask so that I don't get. Get the fumes in my system. And this is what the bleach is looking like mixed with the developer, and this time it has a scent, so it is the real deal. The bleach I had there didn't have that scent. So I knew something was wrong and it was clumped. I've never seen bleaching powder like that before, but this is what it's looking like. My brush. I'm just gonna, you know, mix it through, make sure it's all mixed well. Start now. So, and you know how before I was always going on top first? Well, I'm gonna go underneath to make my life easier. Go from the underneath first this time, instead of making my life hell and going for it after. So underneath. And I'm just putting it on there. Trying to make sure that I get the bleach all up in that grill. And I got some on the main part of the hair, so just gonna wipe it a bit. It to do its thing. As you can see, look at this. What's this? Picasso. So I have some parts where I didn't get no bleach, so I'm just gonna get the bleach up in there. I should have parted it better and did, what do you call it? I should have did a better parting when I was putting the bleach throughout, but I was just trying to get it done quickly, and sometimes quick is not good. But yeah, I'm gonna let that process for a little bit, and then I'm gonna wash it out in like 5 minutes. Okay, y'all, so I didn't show you this part, but basically this is a surprise. The main color is going to be a honey brown, and this is ginger with cognac. So I'm gonna mix that and put that on the parts that I bleached. I did do a bleach bath, which I didn't do on camera, but with the bleach bath, I used the bleach that was left in the bowl that you seen. Put it with some hot water, some boiling hot water, and let it soak for a bit, and I'm gonna put this on top of the darker areas. So yeah, that's what's okay up. Guys, I am back. So currently this is how, I just don't know where the other clip is, but that's how I put it. So usually I use a Doorwood conditioner, but this time around I'm not doing that today. So gonna get the front going as usual, because I'm always doing the front last. And this time I'm trying my best, it probably catch a little bit, but I'm trying my best not to get it on the lace. Working it through. I prefer the conditioner method, however I'm not doing that today. So it is what it is. So just getting the gold, the ginger mixed with French cognac all up in there. Guys, let me take off this glove. I'm like wasting gloves right now. But yeah, that's why I kept it what was I saying? Yeah, so I put this plastic bag separating the areas so that it doesn't get all over. So right now, just, oh yeah, that's why I didn't, I was gonna say that's why I didn't go that bright, because I knew what time it was. So I just have this in some Ziploc. Gonna turn it to the side now. I wish I knew where the rest of my clips were, because this would help big time. Like, this could easily just, you know, sit like that. I'm gonna see. All I did was put some purple shampoo to get some of the brassiness out of it. Didn't care about getting too much of the brassy, because like I said, the color that it's gonna be is gonna have like that brassness to it anyways. All right guys, so this is what it's looking like right now. I put the darker color there and the lighter colors in the little plastic bag, and the back, same thing. Use some plastic wrap. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it there. When I'm ready, I'm gonna mix the bleach very thick, and then add it to the roots of the lace, and then wash it. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking right now. I bleached, oops, sorry, I have the camera on a stand, but I basically bleached, oops, I basically bleached in here, So, yeah, so this is the mannequin head. This is looking on the mannequin head like a little bit of curls going on. The other side was straight. So guys, this is the end result. So it's like a golden ginger and a number 4 or number 2 looking color. And I know you can't see it well, but the back has the ginger color also. So I hope you guys really like it. And thank you guys for your support, for watching my channel. Those who are not subscribed, please subscribe. Those who already subscribed, like, share, and turn on your notifications. Thank you.